Hi everybody, Moki Films here, and today we're going to do an unboxing of the quick cooker steamer baskets. So I'm going to pull them out of the box. You went ahead and cut the tape. And we're going to find out if the Pampered Chef steamer baskets will actually fit in your Insta Pot. So here they are. There's the first basket. And then there's the other basket that settles right inside it. So you can do like shrimp on the bottom, vegetables on the top. I bought them because I wanted to see if they fit in the Insta Pot that I had. So let's find out. All right, so here's the Insta Pot that I've had for a while. And here are the Pampered Chef baskets. And they fit perfectly. I checked the dimensions before I ordered, but I'm really happy to see that they fit because that means that I can buy some of the other Pampered Chef quick cooker pieces and that they'll probably fit my Insta Pot just like these do. So there's the feet that go on the bottom that keep it a little bit off of the bottom of the pot, and then again we've got our instruction manual in it, and that top basket fits right inside. So perfect for the Insta Pot. Again, this has been an unboxing of the Pampered Chef quick cooker steam baskets, and you can see the item on the bottom. If you have any questions, go ahead and leave them in the comments below. Be sure to click subscribe and let us know if there's any other cool Pampered Chef stuff that you think we should pick up.